Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jenny. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel, and today is Walmart Wednesday. It's a day late. You guys, it has been a week. It is frozen solid in Texas, and I've had all three kids home all week long, and it is just... you know, it hasn't happened. This is the day it's happening. So I'm really excited. This is actually Walmart Thursday, but I have some beautiful new arrivals for you guys. Y'all, these are gorgeous, and I'm so excited to share them with you. Couple things, everything is linked down below in the description box, easily shoppable for you, so check that out. If you want to purchase any of these things, you can also follow me over on my Instagram, my Like to Know It, all of these different places to also shop and find links and videos and all those things. So check those out if you're interested. They are all linked in the description box as well as all my jewelry, clothes, everything. And yes, stay tuned to the end of this video to see why this gorgeous top is my favorite piece from this video. And let's get into it. Okay, this first outfit is by far my second favorite top from this, or piece from this new release. You guys, this is too cute. I love the loose fit of it. It's very like comfortable and loose. It's so pretty. I have it here in this striped pattern. It does come in a few other colors, and I'm gonna get all of them because they are so cute. I paired it here real quick. Let's just talk about this little bag. I shared it before. This one is still on sale, or still on the website from Scoop. So good, such a great bag. I need to carry this one more. I always forget about it, but so adorable. Love it with the white pants. Okay, so let's talk about the top. It has a little peplum detail here. It does have a low cut, you know, V-neck here. You could wear a little cami under it, a bralette, whatever you wanted to. I love the sleeves. I love the loose fit of this, but it's still feminine and flattering and girly. This one is so pretty, you guys. It definitely hides like this section if that's a problem area for you. I have on these little espadrilles with it. So adorable, especially if you add the cognac bag with it. And I can't say enough about this one. This one, and then the one I will share at the end. The best two from this haul. Okay, this new arrival is the only one that's not from Free Assembly. This is from Time and True. I'm in a small here. It fits amazingly, and y'all, this top is everything. I absolutely love this top. Definitely keeping it. This is a hard one. It was a hard one for me to pick a favorite from because this is like a close third from those other two. I don't know. It's so pretty. I love the sweater. It's like a textured kind of knit. It's got the collared, which is very on trend right now. The sleeves are a little bit different than the top, which gives a lot of visual interest. I'm wearing it with the same jeans and then these little espadrilles. You could wear it with regular jeans, whatever you wanted to. You can tuck it in if you want to with a front tuck. I know some of you guys don't do that, but it is just so perfect. It comes in a few other colors. I did get one other color of this, so let me show you that one. Okay, here is the other color. This is more like an oatmeal color, super neutral. I love it. I think both are great pieces. I obviously prefer the pinky orange a little bit more, but I do like this one. I have it paired here with some Sofia Vergara Kick crop pants. These are so fun if you're looking for something that's not a skinny jean. I'm in a size 4 here. They fit perfectly. Absolutely love these. I'm definitely keeping these just because they are a fun alternative to a skinny jean, and I do like the length. They come right about to the ankles. And then I have on these little mules I shared in the other video as well. Such a fun little arrival or new arrival outfit, and I really like this one. Okay, you guys, how pretty is this dress? Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. It's very similar to the outfit I was wearing in the intro. It's the same pattern and the same like material. This dress is new from Free Assembly. It has the sort of off the shoulder look, but it has the little ties on the top. I just have a regular bra on. You could definitely wear a strapless with this. I'm in a medium in this one. I like the fit of it, although I could have probably done a small, but I do kind of like the fit of the medium. I was worried about this being too tight. It's not tight. It's very like it's perfect. It's a perfect little fit. It has the smocked waist. It does have pockets. You guys, this is so pretty. This is like an Easter dress, like so gorgeous and beautiful. I have on the little espadrilles with it that I shared before, but you could wear white with this. You could wear a little white bag with it. It's just gorgeous. Can't say enough about this. It does come in a few other little patterns as well, so check this one out in the description box, but I can't say enough about how gorgeous this little dress is. Okay, so feminine, so girly. I love this. So this skirt is by Free Assembly. Actually, both pieces are by Free Assembly. I shared this little collared sweater in a previous haul, and I will link it down below for sure if you missed that one. But this little skirt is too cute. Now, I got a 6. That's normally what I wear in like their shorts, and so that's what I got. I needed a 4 for sure. So you might want to size down from your normal Free Assembly pant size in the skirt. I have it pulled up pretty high and I still have quite a bit of room. So yeah, you can size down in it. It is just like a little A-line skirt. Look at this floral pattern. It's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's just a beautiful pink floral print. It does have a matching top, but the matching top is more like a cropped little top. It's the same pattern as this. You could do it separately if you wanted to get both pieces. You could wear them together, wear them separately, whatever you want to do. But I absolutely love this little skirt. I think it's gorgeous. It's like a work shirt type of material and has pockets. So adorable. Love this one. Okay, this next dress is also so beautiful. It's a new arrival by Free Assembly. It also has pockets, and it's that same like flowy linen-y material. It's not linen, I'm pretty sure, but it has that same like light feeling. I got it here in this navy blue. How pretty is this, you guys? Again, I'm just wearing my normal bra. I just have it tied like over the bra. So y'all, this is so pretty. I love the length. I'm in a small in this one, where I was in a medium in the other one. I think both fit fine, so it's up to you, like if you like it to feel a little bit looser or whatever, but I love this. It is like stretchy here, so it's not like restricting. I don't have a lot going on up there, so I mean, if you're bigger chested, you may need a bigger size, but so beautiful. I love this one, you guys. I will say with both of these, you do have to tie these, like they don't come tied. So that can be a chore. So keep that in mind, but I do love this so much. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the favorite piece from this haul. You guys, I absolutely love this top so much. The quality is so high. I am in a small here. I do think that I could possibly have done an extra small. I think the square neckline is just a little bit big, but you guys, it's like a linen-y type material. You can check the description box for, if you click the link, it will tell you like the fabric and all that kind of stuff, the fabric content. But you guys, I love this little smocked waist. It's not too tight at all. It has a sweet little peplum top. I love these sleeves. They're not tight on the wrists at all. You guys, this would even look beautiful with white shorts in the summertime, or I have it here paired with my Abercrombie white jeans. These are my favorite white jeans. And then I shared these in the Walmart shoe haul. These are some of my favorites by Scoop. But you guys, I love this. It also comes in a really pretty, it's white with like blue floral rather than blue with white floral, but it's a little bit different. You can check the description box and all the different patterns and stuff will be there in colors, but I cannot say enough about this top. It is gorgeous. Grab this top in all the colors. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, that was my video for this week. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos in the future. Next week, I will be starting a new series on fashion news, so I'm really excited about that one. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.